happens in the live for sure. We in the building and we pushing y'all out the door. All the ladies on the floor and then they push them out. Cash money, I'm feeling kinda funny. I woulda, coulda, shoulda, down the whole bottle of Bacardi. Start off the party, we gotta get it moving on. It's time to get that absolute and cran juice on. We in the lobby heading straight up to the rooftop. She dropping low and back it up and make the elevator stop. We heading to the top, now we at the last stop. So get your party on soon as the elevator stops.
Get the party started, everybody jumping, all the ladies rocking, all the voices flocking. Get on the dance floor, everybody dance, screaming if you want more. Get your drinks up and party. What you wanna do? Party, 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 party.
Throw it up in the club, let the party begin. We the Ava hood bangers, sipping juice and gin. We gon' party all night like Khalifa said. I'm fresher than a newborn, J's on my legs. You beef with us, then the beef will be for good. Best believe, little homie, we the boys in the hood. Throw your hood up, represent where you from. Ain't nothing but love. Our boys who we young, got my mind on that money, money on my mind. Paper chasing all day, always on the grind. Chilling in the booth, spitting lyrics off my mind. All the singers on the dance floor, so let's
Alright, here's the ticket number. 01252. 01252. 01. Oh, wait a minute, hold on. 01252. I'm sorry. 01252. 01252. I apologize if I said that wrong. I think we see a winner. You the winner, 01252? We'll let you check the number and make sure it's right. Alright, before we get to Bob, we can always give out Fighter of the Night trophy. Nice trophy here. Sponsored by Jerry Miller Jr. He's 25 years old, 245 pounds. He stands 5'7". He's originally from America Samoa. He's now living, of course, in Alaska. He works at UAA, and his reason for fighting night is to keep himself out of trouble. He has a record of 21 wins, 5 losses, and 1 tie.
I came to get down, so get out your seat and jump around, jump around, jump around, jump around, jump up and get down, jump, 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 jump. I'll serve your ass like John McEnroe. If your girl steps up, I'm smacking the hoe. Word to your moms, I came to drop bombs. I got more rhymes than the Bible's got psalms. And just like the prodigal son, I've returned. Anyone stepping on me, you'll get burned. Cause I got lyrics, but you ain't got none. If you come to battle, bring a shotgun. But if you do, you're a fool, cause I do to the death. Trying to step to me, you take your last breath. I got the skill, come get your fill. Cause when I shoot the gift, I shoot.
Guys, who wants it?
Yeah. Once again, our boys in the hood. AUA. Aua. I mean, we in Alaska, but Aua's what I call home, you know? We left the hood, but the hood never left us. Aua forever, let's get it, yeah!
Hey, you, hey, yeah, that's my ooh, yeah. I said that's my ooh, yeah. I said that's my ooh, yeah. I'm a strap. Hey, we in Alaska, but I was what I call. Yeah, that's my ooh, yeah. I said that's my ooh, yeah. I said that's my ooh, yeah.
Aua on the map, 3-corner did that. Now pass the fame, all my boys want a piece of that. Our boys, I am heir to the throne. I'ma go real hard like bad to the bone. Security.